Scott Culver here at JTech. Today we're going to be disassembling, getting some measurements, oil clearance, and then inspecting all the components on the inside, and then we're going to put it back together. So the first thing we're going to do is take out these 4 Allen head screws. Once we get these out, take this bottom piece is going to come off, then we'll take the top piece off. And then that opens the inside up, so we have gear, another gear, and then the 2 outer pieces. The gears go in between these. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to check all our seals, make sure there's no tears or rips in them. Those look good. We're going to check the inside sidewall of the pump, make sure there's no metal shavings or chips or cracks. We're also going to check the seals on these, which they all look fine. I don't see no discrepancies. So we're going to put it back together somewhat, and then we'll get our oil clearance once it's back together a little bit. So you want to make sure when you put them in that the seals go towards the outer. So this one goes to the bottom, and then the upper one goes to the top. So we'll just put this right down in there. Put our short gear in there. And then our long gear. Goes right down in there. You want to make sure that the teeth align because it's supposed to spin. And now that we're to this point, we're going to check our oil clearance with a feeler gauge. What you want to do is you want to get in between where the gears hit the sidewall. You want to get it in there. That one's spinning, so that would make the oil clearance for that one 0.0025. And then this one over here is going to be the same. So the oil clearance is good. So now what we're going to do is put this piece on with the seal facing up towards us. These 2 tabs have to align right here into these holes. So you push that down. We're still spinning, so we're functioning properly. So now what we're going to do is flip it over. Put the bolts back in. The torque specification for this type of pump for these screws is 7 foot-pounds. Get your screws in. Torque them down to 7 foot-pounds. Once we've got all these to 7 foot-pounds, we've inspected all of the inside components. We've gotten our oil clearance for both of the gears, and these get tightened down to 7 foot-pounds of torque. And that is how you disassemble, get your measurements, and inspect the hydraulic pump. Thanks for watching.